everyone. Archer, nice to see you.
What do you think? You judges like us. What do you know about the President like you?
I just want to give you a trivia about myself. I'm an industrial engineer by profession and currently working as a business analyst, telco and internet provider company. And aside from that, I wear so many hats. I am an accredited safety officer and also I'm an artist. And right now I have this project, The World We Color, wherein I created storybooks for children, and I am a storybook writer and illustrator. That's it.
So, parang kang jack of all trades,
Yes,
master
sir.
of none. Di ba pangit yung wala kang kasi specialized na bagay? Parang ba, you can do a lot of things, but you cannot focus on one.
I'm actually focused in what I have so many talents. I can sing and dance, but I'm into arts. That's it.
Ano? Cars ba?
Arts.
Arts.
Yes. That's
You so you draw.
Yes, sir. Both traditional and digital. So,
May question ka sa media. Ano yung drawing mo?
right now, I'm doing storybook, so I have 6 books. Barry, Naging Collecting, Ajao, and also Superman. So I'm advocating for literacy and creative pursuit. So that's why.
Para yung tayo. Literacy is very important to me. That's why my advocacy title is Reading Literacy. Yes. Okay, you have a question for Art?
I'm good. Okay, wait. Since you're an artist and I'm an artist yourself, can you paint me like one of your French birds? I'm just kidding. Thank you. Thank you. From one artist to another artist. Good job.
Thank you so much.
You told us that you help kids, right?
Yes.
You write storybooks for them.
Indeed.
So, where exactly have you helped kids? Do you have a specific place or
Yes.
region where you help these children?
Actually, it's started year 2021 in my former company, Toshiba. Before I'm only an illustrator. So right now I'm continuing this, sorry, I forgot the word. Continuing this initiative for my own, which is The World We Color. And it's actually used by, I have a partnership with Miss Asia Pacific International. And I think Miss Anita, she's here, had the chance to read my book Bali in front of the students in Bulacan. And also in Laguna. I think it's total of 500 students right now, not only in Batangas, Laguna, and Laguna area, but also it extended to Romblon. I have a partner movement there called Hope in a Box movement.
So your book is for sale, like in a bookstore or just online? Your book is for sale.
It's for free. I have discovered that the World of Color is just not for selling, it's for free. And I'm actually looking for a partnership with different organizations, especially the Mr. World. If there's a possibility that I'm aiming to win the Beauty with a Purpose or the charity award. That's why I am here in Mr. World for me to be able to expand my connection and also to expand my storybooks across the Philippines, not only in the Philippines but internationally. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
Thank you.
Let's give him a big round of applause, everyone.